Buying a car isn't just about performance or prestige, it's about what happens after you drive off the lot. Some vehicles quietly sip fuel and rarely visit the shop, while others seem to demand attention and drain your wallet at every turn. When you stack them up side by side, the differences in ownership costs can be shocking. Today, we're diving into how design, engineering, and long-term reliability can impact your budget for years to come, helping you see which choices keep more money in your pocket. Today, we will talk about Japanese versus German cars. Which saves you more money? So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Japanese versus German cars. Which saves you more money in 2026? When it comes to buying a car in 2026, one of the most common debates is Japanese versus German vehicles, especially when factoring total cost of ownership. Japanese cars are globally recognized for reliability, fuel efficiency, and lower maintenance costs, while German cars are praised for performance, luxury, and engineering sophistication. However, these strengths often come at a price. To understand which option saves you more money, we must consider depreciation, repair costs, insurance, fuel efficiency, and long-term reliability. In this comparison, we'll evaluate sedans, SUVs, and compact cars from brands like Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Lexus, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Volkswagen. By examining these factors in detail, buyers can see where Japanese cars consistently deliver financial advantages and where German vehicles may justify their premium with performance and features. The goal is to help consumers make an informed decision based on their budget, driving habits, and long-term financial goals. 2. Depreciation differences between Japanese and German cars. Depreciation is one of the most significant factors affecting overall savings. New cars lose value rapidly after purchase, and German luxury vehicles tend to depreciate faster than Japanese models. For example, a new BMW 3 Series or Mercedes C-Class may lose 40 to 50% of its value in the first 5 years, while a Toyota Camry or Honda Accord might only depreciate 25 to 35% in the same period. Japanese cars retain more resale value thanks to widespread reputation for reliability and lower repair risk. Even with comparable features and luxury levels, buyers of German cars pay a premium that often vanishes quickly due to faster depreciation. For cost-conscious buyers, choosing a Japanese car can immediately save thousands of dollars over the first few years of ownership. 3. Maintenance and repair costs. Why Japanese cars shine. Maintenance and repair costs are where Japanese cars consistently outperform German rivals. Japanese brands prioritize mechanical simplicity, durability, and parts affordability. Vehicles like Toyota, Honda, and Mazda require fewer repairs over time, and parts are widely available at lower costs. German cars, while technically sophisticated, often feature complex engines, turbocharged components, and advanced electronics that can be expensive to repair. BMW, Audi, and Mercedes vehicles may need specialized service and higher-priced replacement parts, making routine maintenance significantly more expensive. Over 5 to 7 years, owners of German cars can easily spend thousands more than Japanese owners, even accounting for warranty coverage. For buyers focused on total cost savings, Japanese vehicles remain the practical choice. 4. Fuel economy and efficiency advantages. Fuel efficiency is another area where Japanese cars save owners money. Brands like Toyota, Honda, and Mazda offer efficient gasoline engines and hybrid options that achieve excellent mileage, often surpassing their German counterparts. For instance, the Toyota Camry Hybrid or Honda Accord Hybrid can deliver 45 to 50 miles per gallon in optimal conditions, whereas a BMW 3 Series or Mercedes C-Class averages closer to 25 to 30 miles per gallon. Over tens of thousands of miles, fuel savings for Japanese vehicles can easily reach several $1,000s. Even non-hybrid Japanese cars tend to have smaller, efficient engines with less expensive maintenance than German models, making them more cost-effective in everyday driving scenarios. 5. Insurance costs, the hidden savings. Insurance premiums for German cars are generally higher than for Japanese vehicles, even for similar models in terms of size and performance. Luxury German vehicles often carry higher replacement values, advanced electronics, and performance-oriented components, which increase comprehensive and collision insurance rates. Japanese cars, being more reliable and less costly to repair, attract lower insurance premiums. Over the life of ownership, lower insurance contributes to significant total cost savings for Japanese car owners, adding to the overall financial advantage. 6. Longevity and reliability. Reliability is a critical factor in long-term cost savings. Japanese vehicles have earned global reputations for reaching high mileage with minimal major repairs. Engines like Toyota's 2JZ, Honda K-Series, and Mazda Skyactiv units are legendary for longevity. German vehicles, while technologically advanced and fun to drive, often require more maintenance as they age, particularly with turbocharged engines, dual-clutch transmissions, and complex electronics. Over a 10-year ownership period, Japanese cars are less likely to require costly repairs, making them more predictable financially and reinforcing their advantage in savings. 7. Resale value considerations. Resale value magnifies the cost difference between Japanese and German cars. Because Japanese vehicles maintain strong reliability and lower repair histories, they often fetch higher percentages of their original purchase price when sold used. German cars, despite luxury appeal, can experience steep depreciation, particularly as repairs increase with age. Buyers who purchase Japanese vehicles not only save on initial purchase and maintenance, but also benefit from stronger residual values, providing a double financial advantage when it's time to sell or trade in. 8. Performance versus cost trade-off. German vehicles are renowned for performance, handling, and driving pleasure, offering features like turbocharged engines, advanced suspension systems, and high-tech driver aids. While these attributes can justify higher costs for enthusiasts, they come with increased maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. Japanese cars, while more conservative in performance, offer reliable power, excellent fuel economy, and fun-to-drive options like the Mazda MX-5 Miata or Toyota GR86. Buyers must balance the desire for performance against the financial realities. Japanese cars often provide the better long-term cost-benefit ratio for most drivers. 9. Real-world example. 5-year ownership cost comparison. Consider a 2026 Toyota Camry versus a 2026 BMW 3 Series over 5 years. The Camry's purchase price may be $28,000, with lower insurance, better fuel economy, and modest maintenance costs totaling $15,000 over 5 years. The BMW may cost $45,000 up front, with higher insurance, more expensive repairs, and premium fuel consumption totaling closer to $30,000 over the same period. The difference in ownership costs exceeds $10,000, demonstrating how Japanese cars save money in real-world ownership. For budget-conscious buyers seeking reliability, efficiency, and predictability, Japanese vehicles dominate the cost-saving comparison. 10. Conclusion. Which saves more money? In 2026, Japanese cars save significantly more money than German vehicles when considering total cost of ownership. Factors such as lower depreciation, reduced maintenance and repair costs, better fuel economy, lower insurance, and long-term reliability consistently favor Japanese models. German cars still offer superior luxury, performance, and prestige, but these advantages come at a steep financial price. For most buyers focused on practicality, financial efficiency, and long-term ownership, Japanese cars are the smarter choice. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.